How to disable Instagram profile picture zoom. Open your device's App Store. Search for Instagram and tap on it. If there's an update available, tap on Update next to the Instagram app. Once the update is complete, open the Instagram app. Tap on your profile icon at the bottom right-hand corner of the screen. Tap on the 3 horizontal lines at the top right-hand corner to access the menu. Select Settings and Privacy from the menu options. Scroll down until you find the Account Privacy section. Tap on Account Privacy to reveal additional privacy settings. Look for the option labeled Allow Profile Picture Expansion. Toggle the switch next to it to the off position. Exit the Settings menu and return to your Instagram feed. Remember to regularly check for app updates to stay up to date with new features and settings. Congratulations, you have successfully disabled profile picture zoom on Instagram. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you can easily disable the Instagram profile picture zoom feature, giving you greater control over your privacy on the platform. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.